Alright, I'm about to be shot by
the hood?
BB gun. Alright, let me button up.
Do you want me to look?
I don't know why to do it. Nothing came out.
Stand
Wait!
there. Stand.
Nothing's coming out, nothing's coming out, nothing's coming out.
How did you twist it?
Let me twist.
Oh, that's how it twists. Okay.
Ooh, that was Alright.
Feels weird, huh? You can do it on the back if you want to turn your head.
No, do it. Oh! Woo!
How'd it
Ooh,
feel?
that was a... Wait! Stop!
Did you even feel it?
You think I felt it. Oh! Ow!
How'd that feel?
That hurt! Ow! Give me a sec. Oh, I felt that. Stop.
Josh, I can play with the gun too. I bought it.
Sorry.
You want to take it inside?
Oh, no, I'm gonna still shoot. That obviously left a bruise.
So you definitely need a coat. I would
A
say...
thick shirt.
What are you going to do about pants? That's because you're going to feel it on your
Everybody, that was Drunk Monkey 127. Get shot by a BB gun so you know how it feels when you shoot your other players. Thanks to my dad for, doing that. That was my face mask I got using my BB gun for Christmas. Merry Christmas, by the way. And this is just a short 2-minute video. Otherwise, I'll see you all in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.